Imagine wetlands as nature's kidneys, filtering pollutants from water. Now, scientists have harnessed this natural process with a breakthrough technology called bioengineered wetlands. These artificial wetlands use specially selected plants and microorganisms to purify water more efficiently than ever before. By mimicking natural ecosystems, they remove heavy metals, nutrients, and pathogens, making them a game changer for urban water management. This innovation not only cleans water but also supports biodiversity and reduces carbon footprints. It's a sustainable solution that's transforming how cities manage wastewater, proving that sometimes the best tech is inspired by nature.